Good morning. As you may know, I just got home from my week-long snowboarding trip and I came back to a nice little care package from the homies over at NEEWER. I was in contact with them. They said they wanted to send me a Sony ZV-E10 cage, but they sent me a lot more, and there's even something for one of you guys as well. So let's crack this open and see what they sent me. Okay, so first things first, they sent me a little mic. And this is actually perfect because during my snowboard trip, after 5 years, my Rode Video Micro actually kind of crapped out on me. So I'm curious to give this a shot. And yeah, looks awesome. Thank you. And then we got, oh sweet, a light. So this light is actually awesome. I got a NEEWER light, that little blue cube light that's in a lot of my videos. And I had that before I even was in contact with them, and I really love it. So this one is another light, and it seems to be bigger. Oh yeah, so this is a bigger light. Sweet. Definitely hyped on this. And now, the moment of truth, and what they originally said they were going to send me was a Sony ZV-E10 cage. Now when they were sending this on their end, they said it got lost in transit or something, so pretty much immediately they sent me another one. So now I have two Sony ZV-E10 cages, and I'm going to give one of them away to you guys. So let's check this cage out here. Oh wow, this is really nice actually. Wow, this is a beautiful looking cage here. So this actually goes for $70 online. So I was thinking, it's like, you know, it would be smart, maybe I could sell this, make a couple bucks, but instead I'm gonna lose some money and send it to one of you guys anywhere in the world. Wherever you guys are at, I wanna send this to one of my subscribers. So how do you enter? Well, it's quite simple, and it's probably the easiest giveaway you're ever gonna enter. All you have to do is comment down below, Evan Lindy X NEEWER, and that's going to give you one entry into the draw. And now I thought I'd do something a little fun actually. For 5 entries, I just recently posted the Mega Vlog, which is one of my favorite recent vlogs, and I think you'll enjoy watching it. So if you watched a full 48-minute video, have a little notepad beside you, and if you could count how many times I say, let's get into it during the video, send me a DM on Instagram with that number, and I'll put you down for 5 entries. So if you do that and comment down below, you can have 6 entries into the draw. And if you do that, I think you're probably gonna win, because not that many people will take part in the mega draw. So yeah, I'll announce the winner next Sunday, February 11th on the channel. So that gives you a week to watch the mega vlog, a week to enter, and you can win this beautiful cage, and I'll send it to anywhere in the world. Well, I'll tell you what, it definitely feels good being able to do a giveaway on this channel, but what feels even better is getting free stuff. So if any other brands or companies are watching this and you want me to unbox your product within one of my vlogs, email me down below. Looking forward to hearing from you. Well, I'll tell you what, after spending the last week indoors editing this nature leg stretches, much needed, and I couldn't have picked a better day to do it. It's a beautiful bluebird day, man. Well, unfortunately it's February 3rd, which sucks because it really does feel like a spring day, and it gave me some hope, but we still got 2-3 months of ice cold winter. I'm pretty hungry, fridge is pretty empty, Manchuok sounds pretty good, so honey garlic chicken it is. Could I get the type 1 with honey garlic chicken and lo mein noodles? Yep, I'll get on. Manchu wok secured. I'm just gonna devour this honey garlic chicken and lo mein noodles. Then I need to dive into editing this video because it needs to be posted tomorrow. So this is the point where I'm gonna wrap this one up. Like usual, if you made it to the end, I really do appreciate you. Thank you to my Patreons for keeping the dream alive, and make sure to enter the giveaway. If you're still watching, that means you're a real one, and I'd really like a real one to win, or one of the Discord homies, one of the OGs, you know? So enter away, you have a week, and yeah, this is where I'm gonna end it. So much love, best of luck, and I'll see you in the next one.